Hello guys, welcome to Math Twist. Whenever we talk about permutations and combination, the formula NPR and NCR actually confuse us. In this video, I'm going to share a technique after which you don't need to learn any formula or get confused while using it. So watch the video till the end as we are going to do some question together to make the topic more clear. Let's start with what is combination. In simple words, combination is selecting some object from the set of objects where order of selection or arrangement is not to be considered. Suppose there are four alphabet letters from which two letters are to be selected. The order of arrangement between them does not matter. That means it can be RU or UR. It doesn't matter, and this is what we call as combination. Let's understand in detail with the help of example. Suppose there are 5 people from which 3 people are to be selected. In how many ways this can be done? So there are 5 people, but we need only 3 people. So 3 people can be selected in, first person can be selected in 5 different ways. Once the first person is selected, second one can be selected in 4 remaining different ways, and for the third position we have 3 different ways. Now we need to select all the 3 people, so we need to multiply them. For more detail on this topic, you can watch the previous video on permutation and counting principle. Now first mark the keyword here, that is selection. So it's combination where arrangement does not matter. So as there are 5 times 4 times 3 different way to select 3 people from 5, actually 5 times 4 times 3 include the order of arrangement. Now, as the order of arrangement does not matter here, so we need to exclude the order of arrangement. Now, 3 people can be arranged themselves in 3 factorial way, that is order of arrangement. That we need to exclude, that means we need to divide that. So, 5 times 4 times 3 divided by 3 factorial is our answer. Now, let's check this answer with the formula we use for combination. First, I write the answer here. Now, if I look at the formula that were taught to us for selecting R number of things from N number of things is NCR. Here, we are using the same question. So, N is 5 and R is 3. Now, put that here. It's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2 factorial. Numerator 2 factorial cut by denominator 2 factorial. So the answer is 5 times 4 times 3 divided by 3 factorial. Actually, this is what we found without using the formula. Or we can say it's a cool short trick. Now, let's consider a case in the above example where order of arrangement is important. So, we redefine the example. Suppose there are 5 people in which 3 people are to be arranged in a row. In how many ways this arrangement can be done? We are solving this question using the same answer we found earlier. That means 5 times 4 times 3 divided by 3 factorial. But actually in this case arrangement is important. So in the above answer 3 factorial, that is the order of arranging 3 people, is excluded, but here we don't need to exclude as we require the arrangement. So let's include it in the answer, and the final answer is 5 times 4 times 3. Or we can say that we can multiply the order of arrangement with the combination answer. Yes, if we multiply with 3 factorial, that is arrangement, we got the same answer. And this is what we call as permutation. Yes. Now let's check this answer with the help of formula. NPR, N is 5, R is 3. Now put that 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial. That's equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Numerator and denominator 2 factorial will cut, and it's 5 times 4 times 3. This is what we found without using the formula. The takeaway is, if we know the logic, then why should we learn the formula? Just follow this strategy and get your answer really quick. Let's do some question. Company wishes to simultaneously promote 2 of its 6 department head to the assistant manager. In how many ways this promotion can be take place? In this example, 2 department heads need to be selected from 6 people. So this can be done in first position can be filled in 6 different ways, and the second in 5 different ways. So it's 6 times 5, as the order of selection does not matter here. So the arrangement among 2 people need to be excluded, and the arrangement among themselves is 2 factorial, that need to be excluded. So exclude them, and our answer is 15 different ways. If I change the question and say that after selecting arrange them in a row, then the answer should be 6 times 5. Yes, we do not need to be exclude 2 factorial. That's equal to 30 ways. Let's do some different type of question. A box contains 7 red, 6 white and 4 blue balls. How many selection of these 3 balls can be made so that all 3 are red? B, none is red, and C, one is of each color. First mark the keyword, that is selection. So in every selection, arrangement among themselves need to be excluded. Let's solve it one by one. First, all the 3 balls will be red. All the 3 balls will be red if they are taken out of the red ball. So 3 balls need to be selected from 7 red balls. This can be done in 7 times 6 times 5 divided by 3 factorial. As the order of arrangement does not matter, so we need to exclude. That's equal to 35 different ways. Now B1 is none of 3 will be red if they are chosen from 6 white balls and 4 blue balls. So 10 balls and 3 balls need to be selected. This can be done in 10 times 9 times 8 divided by 3 factorial. That's equal to 120 ways. Now C part. 1 is of each color. So 1 red ball can be selected from 7 balls in 7 divided by 1 factorial. That's equal to 7 ways. 1 white ball can be chosen from 6 white balls in 6 divided by 1 factorial. 6 different ways. And 1 blue ball can be selected from 4 blue balls in 4 divided by 1 factorial. That's 4 different ways. All the action need to be performed, so we need to multiply them. That's equal to 168 ways. Let's jump to the another question. Family of 4 brothers and 3 sisters is to be arranged for photograph in one row. In how many ways this can be seated if all sisters sit together and B, no sisters sit together? First mark the keyword arranged. So in this case, we don't need to exclude the arrangement. Now, as all the sisters sit together, so consider them as a unit. Now 1 unit and 4 brother, that's equal to 5. That can be arranged themselves in 5 factorial ways. Again, 3 sisters may be arranged themselves in 3 factorial way. Therefore, 5 factorial times 3 factorial is our answer. Now, move to the B part. Let first brother be seated. For no sister sit together, sister should be seated between brothers. So there are 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 3 sisters need to be arranged in 5 spaces. This can be done in 5, 4 and 3. All 3 spaces need to be filled. So we multiply them and that's equal to 60 ways. Now 4 brothers can be arranged themselves in 4 factorial way. Thus the total number of ways are 60 multiplied by 4 factorial ways. That's 1440. Hope this video helps you. If you want to do more question on this topic, do check the description box for Google form. Please like and subscribe the channel as it gives motivation to make more video like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.